and then taking it down. You know, the architects, they are the ones that are involved working with other teams inside the organization. They know the architecture of their systems better than almost anybody. They also know that, hey, we have security tooling that just doesn't have any visibility into this stuff. So they've been looking for a solution that can automatically keep tabs on the attack surface as it changes and as they deploy it through architectural changes. You know, the engineers, the analysts, that's another one for them. They are looking for something that's going to take the tier 0, tier 1, maybe some of that tier 2 work off from their plate. You know, something that's going to go out and identify accurately with high confidence, hey, this asset is on this IP address and it's this, this, and this. You don't need to go and perform the manual steps. Here's some context. Now that you have this context, do the things that you're good at as a human and look at it and scrutinize it and say, okay.
Sometimes it's a bad question to ask me because I have vested interest, right? But if I keep my vested interest aside, so I had been kind of a CISO advisor for a few companies, part of the advisory board from the cybersecurity perspective. So I remember for all the companies where I had been part of it, the moment I kind of joined the advisory board, there were two big questions which I had in my mind. And one was that, do we know what our security posture is? And for knowing that, I have to know my assets, right? I mean, without knowing the assets and its risk, I mean, it's incomplete, right? So this becomes a fundamental question. Like, do we know all our assets and the risk associated with it? That's one question. And the second is, if there is a breach, will we be able to recover safely?